To SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku, posted on December 29, 2021. Fifth row and sixth row, column D also, we have 3. So it can't come in these cells. 3 will be here. Second row and third row also we have 3. Also column J also we have 3. So can't come in these cells. Then 3 will be here. We have 8 column B, column C also we have 8, third row also we have 8. 8 can't come in these cells. 8 will be here. Fifth row and column H we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. 8 will be here. We have 9. 9 can't come in these cells. 9 will be here. Column J, we have 6 can't come this cell. Also we have 6 can't come this cell. Then 6 will be here. Fourth row we have 4. We have 5 can't come this cell. Then 5 will be here. In J column only one number is remaining. Number 4 will be here. We completed column J. In this grid, we have 3 and 4. So it can't come in the cells. Then 3 and 4 will be here. We have already 4. So it can't come. So it can't come in this cell. 4 will be here. 3 will be below. Second row, we have 1 and 5 can't come in this cell. Then 1 will be here. 1 and 5 will be here. We have already 5, so can't come in this cell. 5 will be here. 1 will be here. Remaining 6, remaining 2 will be here. Column I also we completed. In this grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. We already have 2, so can't come in this cell. 2 will be here, 1 will be here. Seventh row, we have 4 and 6. So it can't come in this cell. 4, 6 will be here, both the cells. Then in this grid, 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 will be here. Sixth row and seventh row, we already have 2. So it can't come in these cells. Also column F, we have 2. So it can't come in this cell. Then 2 will be here. Column C and column E, we already have 4. So it can't come 4 in the both the cells. Then 4 will be here. column E and column F. We already have 4. Also 7th row also we have 4. It can't come in these cells. Then 4 will be here. Since 4 is here, so it can't come in this cell. 4 will be here. Below will be 6. We completed column H also. In 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 6 already we have, so it can't come in this cell. 6 will be here, then 5 will be here. Column F and column G, we already have 5, so it can't come in these cells. Also 9th row also we have 5, so it can't come in this cell. Then 5 will be here. Fifth row also we completed already. 4th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. We already have 2, so it can't come in this cell. 2 will be here, then 1 will be here. 6th row and 8th row, we already have 8, so it can't come in these cells. 8 will be here. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 7 and 9 will come in both cells. We'll confirm later. In second row, one number is remaining, then 7 will be here. We completed second row also. Column B and column C, we have 7. Also 8th row also we have 7, so it can't come in these cells. Then 7 will be here. Since 7 is here, it can't come in this cell. 7 will be here, then 9 will be here. Then we finished column E also. Column C and column D, we have 3. Also 10th row we have 3, so it can't come in these cells. Then 3 will be here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Third row we have 5, so it can't come in this cell. 5 will be here, then 6 will be here. We have 4, so it can't come in this cell. 4 will be here. Then in this grid, one number is remaining, 2 will be here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 5 and 1, so it can't come in this cell. Then 1 and 5 will be both the cells. We have 5, so it can't come in this cell. 5 will be here, then below will be 1. In column D, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 will be here. In this grid, one number is remaining, 9 will be here. In sixth row, what number is remaining? Number 1. 1 will be here. Column F, and eighth row we have 1, so it can't come in these cells. Then 1 will be here. Column 8, eighth row, 1 number is remaining. 8 will be here. 10th row we have 3, it can't come in this cell. 3 will be here. In this regard only 1 number is remaining. Number 7 will be here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. We have 8, so it can't come in this cell. 8 will be here, then 9 will be here. Ninth row and 10th row, we have 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. We have 1, so it can't come this cell. 1 will be here, 6 will be here. In this grid 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 7 we have, so it can't come to this cell. 7 will be here, then 9 will be here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.